There's a lot of data flowing around, a lot of opportunities to collect and analyze that data in a geospatial way. And so cities need to be able to take that data, take advantage of it, use it in the context of location, geospatial analytics, and then reciprocate the information back to the citizens of the city, to reciprocate it back to those operators that can use the data more beneficially to make the mobility of a city improve. Azure Maps is a platform suite of web services built for enterprise, built for government, cloud scale, and continuously refreshed. And so we've got maps, we've got routing, we've got traffic, we've got search capabilities, we've got time zone information. We have mobility as a service. We do full multimodal routing. So you can route from home to a rideshare, get on a bus, ride a bus into a city, route to the nearest scooter, get on your scooter, reserve that scooter, and ride it to the final destination. And so this full multimodal aspect is pretty important.